Morning everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. As you can see, I'm down at the allotment again. I haven't been down here for maybe 2 weeks now. Not 100% yet. Still waiting for operation date, so I'm just taking it easy at the moment. So what I'm doing here, I'm just digging up some of this bed. I've got some garlic to plant. They should have been planted out already, but they're only just arrived. Got some elephant garlic and some of the normal large garlic. So I'm just gonna plant them in this bed here and then see what happens. I've never planted, every time I plant garlic, I think I plant it at the wrong time of the year because it should be planted out really about October time. And now we're in the middle of December, but people saying to me you can still plant it out. The only problem is you might get it forming into one big onion sized bulb, the elephant one. But it all depends on the soil. And as you can see here, I've got good soil here. I have to look. So someone done me some bulbs, elephant bulbs. I'll show you those in a minute, and then I'll get planting them and show you the process of what they look like and everything. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got a brick there, so I'm putting them a brick apart, so that gives them a lot of room. They're usually about 8 inches, but I've got a brick, so just putting it a brick wide. This time of the year you need to be going down about 4 inches. These are the size of the bulbs. So that's what an elephant garlic bulb looks like. So these are the size of them. These are the cloves. You also get the rhizomes, what grows on the side. You can plant those, but what happens when you plant they call them culms. What happens when you plant the culms, you snip off a little bit off of the top and you put them down, and then the first growing season they grow into like an onion shape, and then the onion shape, now for the next year you plant that, and then you get the cloves. But if you plant the cloves, keep some of the cloves and plant the cloves, then when they grow you'll get the clove bulb. So I'm putting these about 4 inches down. So you put them pointed face down, you can see them down. Let my cameraman come in. So you put them with the pointed end up. So I've made a couple of holes already to save time. So you can see I've put some in already. So I'm going to continue putting these in. Whether they're going to grow or not, I don't know, because we're a bit late in the season. So I'm just using the brick as a guide, so where to make my holes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Most probably get about 6 or 7 in a row. You can see this grass never wants to give up. So you're putting them, you've got the pointed end and you've got them, so I'm going to put those in, and then once I've done this I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, I've putted my elephant garlic all in their holes, so I've just got to cover them over when I've done. I've also, sorry about the aeroplane noise again, that always happens when we're filming. I've got these cloves as well. These are slight, I think they're called this white crispo or something like that. So these ones don't need to go as deep because they're not as big as the elephant ones. So I'm going to put these. I've got a row of elephant grass, so these ones you don't need to put that far apart, and you don't need to dig the hole as deep as well. You can actually just push these into the ground. But I'm just putting them in by hand. So I'm going to continue with this because I think I've got about 20 or so of these to put in, so I'm just going to continue doing that, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got all them garlic in now, so what I'm going to do, just going to fill in the holes with some of this. This is sand and compost mixed together. I'll add my carrots in. So what I can do, I'm always going to replace that because I've got some. So like with this now, I don't really need to water this in because the soil is very moist already. So I'm going to carry on with this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got all of them covered. So now it's just to leave them and see which ones germinate. So the next task what I've got to do today, if I can get round, I've just got this bed here. You can see I've got all these buckets ready for my potatoes and everything. Just got this bed here, just got this corner here to dig out. As you can see, some of these plants which are these ones, are a pain in the neck. I just had this corner here to dig up. Then I've got these bags of manure to level it out. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got this bed sorted out now. Got the manure on, so it's about 4 or 5 inches deep, so that'll take it through till when I'm ready to dig it over again. can see it's like a thick layer I put on there just to make sure that it's, when it's, if we get snow and that, then it'll go down and thin out and that. But I'm digging over the bed with the, where I've just planted my elephant garlic and my other garlic. I noticed that there's a lot of worms down there, so that's a good thing. So hopefully this will do the same thing. So right, so I hope you all enjoying our videos. We're coming up to the end of the season now, so all I've got left to do now is just the strimming and the border, what I want to put around the edge, and just general tidying up, and then we're good to go for next time. So I want to say thanks to all those who have subscribed to the channel, all those who've come on board with me, all those who've been watching. On my next video, if you watch the next video, I'll be personally thanking those subscribers who's watching, kept in touch with me all the time through my sickness and everything. All I'm doing now is just waiting for operation date now, and then once I've had that operation, then maybe I can get on with things a bit better. But like for now, I've got to just take things easy. My body's still in a lot of pain. The only reason why I come out today is because I need to get things, don't want to leave things too long. So I just took a few paracetamols and come down and do what little bits I can. So I hope you're all enjoying what you're seeing. If there's anything what you want to see us plant for next year, let me know. There's some new things I'm looking into. I was just seeing if I can get hold of them, if they can grow over here. So then I'll give it a try, so that you can give it a try if you want to as well. So thanks for watching the videos, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.